Hi, this is Ross with DIY on the House. Today we're going to be replacing a vent cover on a bathroom on a RV trailer. We've had this trailer for a year or two now, and the vent that's on it is cracked up. This season I'm sure it's going to go bad and we're going to end up having leakage. So what I did, I just went ahead and ordered a new vent off of Amazon, and this is for a fantastic vent, 8000 CD. So I looked online, and this vent covers quite a few. I ended up getting this off Amazon. It's the cheapest place I could find it was shipping through Prime, and so it's actually an OEM part. I'm going to show you exactly how to take it off. It just takes just a few minutes, and it's off and done, and you're ready to roll. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is raise the vent from the inside of the bathroom. Got a few bugs and stuff in here. So once that's up, there's going to be 4 screws on the back on the hinge. So I'm going to just take those off real quick. They're not tight at all because it's actually plastic. So we'll take those off, and I'm going to support this while I'm doing that. That's off. There's a little notch at the bottom of the vent, and that's where the roller pops out of. So when you do it, this little roller here pops into that, and you put it back in place. So that one is off. We're going to take our brand spanking new one, put the roller in that, put it into place, and line the hinge up. Get these screws started. Now these screws are not magnetic, so they won't go on your magnetic tip on your screwdriver. So we're going to do both outside ones first. Make sure they line up. Kind of a tight little area. Let me go ahead and just do this number here. So we'll just go ahead and put them all in loosely. Oh my word. Okay, so when I do this, I'm not going to tighten them up very much because those are getting tightened into plastic, so we're just going to snug them up. So that's literally it. Just took a few minutes, and I got this vent cover off of Amazon. We'll have the link available. And I hope you like the video, and subscribe if you like it, and any comments, that'd be great. Thank you for watching DIY on the House.